www.desiblitz.com.
Hi, my name is Madhur Mittal and you're watching me on desiblitz.com.
I'm JB Bernstein. I'm a sports agent. It's called $1 Million Arm. We find the first Major League Baseball player from India.
Okay, all right, guys.
This is a true story. And these two boys were from the village, had never heard of baseball in their lives. You know, they'd both given up their sporting dreams and were helping out their parents with their respective, businesses and trying to make a living back in the villages in India. And suddenly they heard about this competition that J.B. Bernstein's character goes to India to do, called $1 Million Arm. They try out for it, and they end up winning this competition. And then they're taken to the United States when they train for baseball for 8 months, and then they're picked up by the Pittsburgh Pirates. So this is an absolutely amazing story, and I play Dinesh, who is such a hardworking, shy, introverted character. I've never played somebody who's such a white character. You know, I've played a lot of grey, I've done comedy and stuff like that, but never played somebody who's so goody two-shoes and so humble. So it was great to get a chance to play a character based on a real-life person, and also I haven't really played such a character before, so it was great. Yeah.
Was it a challenge playing a real-life character?
It was. That's what excited me the most when this film was offered to me. It brings its own set of challenges, because when you're playing a fictional character, you get to explore it in your own way and your own interpretation of it. But whereas when you're playing a real-life character, there's certain restrictions that you have to follow. But the great thing was that Craig Gillespie, the director, came in and explained to us that this is not a documentary that we're making. We're making a movie at the end of the day, and he didn't want us to mimic the guys. He wanted us to understand who these people were, and get the essence of their characters right. And which is great, because I think if you see the film, you'll see that Rinku and Dinesh are so different from each other. So it's a great chemistry that they two share, and then they would never have been friends had they not have been pushed into this really weird, awkward situation together. I started my career as a Michael Jackson impersonator when I was like 5 years old. So I have done more than 1,000 stage shows all over the world as many Michael Jackson. That's before I was 14. Also, ever since Slumdog, I have because I love to travel, and I've had the pleasure of living out of a suitcase for the past 6 and 7 years. So yeah, I'm very familiar with the United States, but not with the game of baseball. And so we had to train really hard for that. Me and Suraj both had never played before, and we had a period of 3.5 weeks to learn the game in. We used to have like 4 hours of baseball training every day, and followed by 2 hours of gymming, because we were both quite thin, scrawny boys. So we had to look like athletes. So yeah, we worked really hard. Me and Suraj actually had great chemistry right from the word go. I auditioned with Suraj, and we were both reading together. He was reading for Rinku and I was reading for Dinesh, and we had barely met each other 2 minutes ago, and we just had the most amazing chemistry when we auditioned, and I think that helped both of us get the parts. We would try to push each other, try to maybe help each other with our performances also. Where also John Hamm was such a great help, because he's probably one of the best co-actors that I've worked with. You don't realize this, but he really comes in and sets the mood for a scene. He'll crack jokes if it's a funny scene, or be really serious and not talk to us if it was a serious scene we were going to do.
Do you feel that we're finally closing the gap between India and the West? Are Hollywood starting to take notice?
We were always doing quite well for ourselves there, but it's always, it's another territory, it's another set of challenge when you go to another country, because there's a lot of different sensibilities at play there, the culture. And I'll just give you a simple example. When I've seen the film in America and I've seen the film here, and it's amazing how in different countries people laugh at completely different things, So as an actor, you have to take everything into account, and then you try to put that into your performance and try to elevate it. So hopefully I've done that.
Which do you prefer, cricket or baseball?
Put me on the spot there. I like surfing.
Okay.
All right, go ahead, say it.
Did you kiss Miss Brenda?
No, she kissed me.
Oh! Aha! Oh, Jamie's good!